Hi, it's Sylvia here with Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and preparing wholesome traditional meals with a vintage twist. And today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you for a celery root puree. Oh, I don't know if you're familiar with celery root, but you may have seen it at either the market or at the grocery store in the past. And it's this gnarly, it's like literally a gnarled looking vegetable. I don't know if you ever watched Doctor Who, but it kind of reminds me of the Ood a little bit. Anyhow, it's this gnarled looking vegetable that looks a little bit intimidating, but all it needs is good scrubbing and peeling. And when you're peeling, I like using a paring knife because it's a little bit, it can get a little bit rough if you're doing it with a vegetable peeler. But the thing I like about celery root is its flavor. I love it in soups. I love it raw. I like shredding vegetables and making big shredded salads. And I love celery root for those salads because it's crisp, it's fresh, and it has a slight celery taste, which is probably why it's called celery root. It's not the same thing as the stalks of celery that you get. It's different, but it does have a slight celery. And I guess the best way I would describe it is if celery and a potato got together and hooked up. It's the best way I can describe it. So I'm going to be making the celery root with potatoes and the celery root. I guess you could do it with just the celery root, but I like the texture that the potatoes offer the puree. It makes a great side to go along with anything that you really need. So with roast meats, whether that's chicken or beef or fish, it would be great with fish. You know, just a side dish. So I'm going to be showing you how to make that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see. And if you do, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to go with it so that you never miss an episode of Vintage Kitchen Vixen. And if you are coming back to the kitchen, welcome back. I'm always so happy to have you here. With that being said, I am going to hop into silent film mode, and we're going to do that right now. joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment if you feel so inclined, and share with somebody who likes mashed potatoes, because this is a great switch. It's nice to switch things up every so often, isn't it? Anyhow, I put out 2 new videos a week, so I will be coming back real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.